Hi guys, welcome back to College Duniya's YouTube channel. NEET 2026 registrations have started from 8th of February 2026, and in this video we'll see how to register for NEET 2026. So let's see. First of all, you'll have to visit the website called neet.nta.nic.in. Then you will come to this page. Just scroll down and click on registration for NEET 2026. Then on this page you'll have to click on new registration. You'll get this page. Here is the fees for each category. Then when you'll scroll down, you'll have to click here to proceed. Then after that, it will ask you to enter your all personal details like your name, your parents' name, date of birth, gender, your address. So kindly fill all these details very carefully as they can't be changed. So here we have entered a present address. Then it will also ask for your permanent address. Also from NEET 2026, please enter your present and permanent address very carefully as you will get to choose your examination center from these two cities only. So please fill these cities carefully. Now after filling the captcha, we'll have to click on submit. Now we'll have to verify all the filled details. So just check all the details carefully and keep checking the check mark, and now click on submit. Now you'll have to enter the OTP which is received on your entire mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on submit registration form. Then your registration is complete and we have our application number. Now here is the complete application form. We'll have to fill all these details. Now we'll start from registering personal details. So again, it will ask you to enter some more personal details. So please also fill these details like your category, are you diabetic or not, are you a PWD student or not, do you belong to minority, what was your mode of preparation, and etc. Now enter the captcha and click on save and next. Again it is asking for your PWD status. Now here you have to enter your Aadhaar card number, and also you will need to enter the OTP received on your mobile number which is registered with your Aadhaar number. So if your Aadhaar is not linked to any mobile number, please get it linked first, as the registration have started yesterday itself. After entering all the details, click on submit. Now it is the OTP which is received on the Aadhaar mobile number. Now you have to select whether you have a PAR ID or not. Then here is the city choice for the examination center. So we have entered Delhi in a present and permanent address. So we have Delhi only as the option. Now here we need to enter our 10th and 12th credentials like our pass status, then our name of the school, the marks we attained, and similarly we need to enter these details for class 12th as well. So these details are verified later after the examination and during your admissions also. So please, again I'm requesting, please fill these details carefully. You can take more time, but double check all the details you enter. Now again you have to enter these details for class 12th as well. So our student is appearing in 2026 for class 12. So we have selected as appearing, and again we need to enter the school name and address. After filling all these details, we need to fill the captcha and click on save and next. Now it is asking if are you a twin and both applying for NEET 2026. Again it is asking for your additional details. You have to fill the captcha and click on save and next. Now next you have to enter your emergency contact number and your email address. You will receive an OTP on each of them. Just enter the OTPs received on both of them and click on verify and next. Next you will be redirected to capture a live photograph. So click on upload photograph. Your photo has been captured successfully. Click on save and next. Now you have to upload all these documents like your passport photo, your thumbprints, your handprints, and your 10th and 12th mark sheets. So I have uploaded all these documents and entering the captcha. Click on save and next. Then it is the final review page. So please double check all the details you have entered and click on final submission of application. Now our application has been submitted. We'll have to verify our email which we entered in the beginning before proceeding for the fee payment. Now just click the submit and get OTP. So we have entered the OTP received on our email, clicked on verify. Now this is the last step in which we need to pay the application fee. There is an option of online payment. We have chosen SBI MOPS and clicked on proceed for payment. Now using this option you can use SBI net banking, credit cards, debit cards and etc. We chose credit card, clicked on confirm, and now it will ask us to enter the card details. So here are the card details and we'll click on pay now button. So after clicking on pay now, we'll enter the OTP. And our application has been submitted. The payment was successful. You can see the transaction status is successful. So this was the complete process of filling the NEET application form for 2026. I hope it will help all the students and aspirants appearing for NEET this year. If you have any doubt, please comment down in the comment section below, and please like and share the video and subscribe to our College Duniya's YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining.